Hello students, my name is Professor Muhammad Asim and we are doing ADMath. ADMath for IGCSE students which have syllabus code 0606 and for CIE O level students which have syllabus code 4037. So both kind of students can get equal benefit from this course. Students, in last lecture we finished exercise 11.3. The topic of that exercise was arithmetic progression and sum of arithmetic series. Today we are going to start the topic of next exercise 11.4. The topic is geometric sequence. What is arithmetic progression or what is geometric progression? In arithmetic progression the difference is same and in geometric progression the ratio is same. What does it mean? Ratio means suppose that if we have a first number is a, the second number is ar, the third number is ar square, then ar cube, and so on, then this progression is called geometric progression because the ratio is same. How to find the ratio? Divide each following number by its preceding. Ar square upon ar cube upon ar square. A cancel by r, a cancel by r cancel by its square r, a cancel by r square cancel by cube r. So it is geometric progression. Why? Because throughout the sequence or throughout the progression the ratio is same. So with the help of this concept we can easily do question number 1. Question number 1 is identify whether the following sequence are geometric or not. If they are geometric, write down the common ratio and 8 term. Very easy. Part A. 1, 2, 4, 6. Now check whether this is geometric or not. If the ratio is same, then obviously it is geometric. So 2 upon 1 must be equals to 4 upon 2 must be equals to 6 upon 4. 2 upon 1 is 2, 4 upon 2 is 2, and 6 upon 4 is 3 upon 2. So it is not geometric. So the way for checking a given sequence is geometric or not, just find the ratio. Now do part B. Minus 1, 4, minus 16, 64, and so on. So if this is a geometric, then the ratio should be same. That is 4 upon minus 1 must be equals to minus 16 upon 4 must be equals to 64 upon minus 16. Check. 4 upon minus 1 is minus 4. 4 4 is 16. Minus 16 4 the 64. Yes, it is a geometric sequence having ratio is minus 4. Now according to question, if they are geometric, write down the common ratio. Ratio is minus 4 and the 8th term. We have to find the 8th term. Very easy. The formula for finding the eighth term or finding the any term is Tn is equals to a r to the power n minus 1. So here a is the first term, that is minus 1, r we have find, that is minus 4, n is 8 because we have to find the eighth term. So T8 is equals to a minus 1 dot r is minus 4, n minus 1 is 8 minus 1, minus 4 to the power 7. By using calculator, find the value of minus 4 to the power 7. So minus 1 dot minus 4 to the power 7 is 16384 minus, because the power is odd, it is minus 16384. Minus minus plus 16384 is the answer of 8th term. Hope you understand. Now move to part C. Part C is (81, 27, 9, 3 dash dash dash). Obviously, it is a geometric sequence because the ratio is same, that is r is equals to 27 upon 81, which is equals to 1 upon 3. And if you find 9 upon 27, you will get 1 upon 3. If you find 3 upon 9, you will again get 1 upon 3. Now we have to find the eighth term. The first term is 81, n is 8, and the formula is Tn is equals to ar to the power n minus 1. Tn or an both are same. So T8 is equals to a 81 dot r is 1 upon 3 to the power 8 minus 1, 81 dot 1 upon 3 to the power 8 minus 1 is 7, 81 itself 3 to the power 4 dot 1 to the power 7 is 1 and 3 to the power 7, or 1 upon 3 to the power 7. This power 4 shifted in denominator, that is minus 4. So T8 is equals to 1 upon 3 to the power 7 minus 4 is 3, and 1 upon 3 to the power 3 is 27. Hence the eighth term of the sequence is 1 upon 27. Hope you understand. Do part D. Part D is 2 upon 11, 3 upon 11, 5 upon 11, 8 upon 11, and so on. Clearly it is not a geometric, because if you divide 3 upon 3 divided by 11 by 2 divided by 11, so 3 upon 11 into 11 upon 2 is 3 upon 2, and if you divide 5 upon 11 divided by 3 upon 11, you will get 5 upon 3. So it is not GP, not geometric progression. So if this is not a geometric progression, then we are unable to find the eighth term of in this way, that is geometric way. So the answer is not geometric. Part E. Part E is 2, 0.4, 0.08, 0.16 dash dash dash. So R should be 0.4 upon 2 or 0.08 upon 2 and so on. So if you divide 4 upon 20 is 1 upon 5, that is 0.2, and 8 2 the 16, 8 5 the 40, 1 upon 25. So 1 upon 25 cannot be equals to 0.2. So because one is 0.2 and other is 0.1 upon 25 is 400, 0.25. So it is not equals to. I will check again. 100 upon, sorry, 4 upon 100. So 0.04, sorry. So 0.2 cannot be equals to 0.04. So it is not geometric progression. So in part E and in part D both are not geometric progression. Now move to last part F. Part F is minus 5, 5, minus 5, 5, dash dash dash. So check whether the sequence is geometric or not. Obviously it is geometric because the ratio is same. Throughout is same, that is minus 1. So now we have to find the 8th term. So formula is Tn is equals to a r to the power n minus 1. Here a is minus 5, r is minus 1 and n is 8. So T8 is equals to a into r to the power 8 minus 1. So minus 5 dot minus 1 to the power 7. Minus 1 to the power 7 is minus 1, minus minus plus 5. Hence the ratio is minus 1 and the 8th term is 5. So hope you completely understand question number 1. Let's move to question number 2. Question number 2 is the first term in a progression, geometric progression is a and the common ratio is r. Write down expression in terms of a and r for the 9th term. Very easy. The formula of nth term is Tn is equals to a r to the power n minus 1. Here n is what? 9. So T9 is equals to a r to the power 9 minus 1. So T9 is equals to a r to the power 8. And this is our answer because we have to give the answer in terms of a and r. And the 20th term. Now we have to find the 20th term. Very easy. T20 is equals to a r to the power 20 minus 1. That is a r to the power 19. So this is the answer. So very small and very easy question. Move to question number 3. Question number 3 is the third term of a geometric progression is 108. T3 is equals to 108 and the sixth term is minus 32. Find the common ratio R and the first term A. Now we use the formula again. Tn is equals to AR to the power n minus 1. First we will use T3 is equals to A R to the power 3 minus 1. The value of T3 is given 108 AR square, equation number 1. Now we use T6 is equals to A R to the power 6 minus 1. The value of T6 is minus 32 A R to the power 5. This is equation number 2. Now simplify equation number 1 and 2. Kindly wait. Okay, so we have two equations. If we divide equation 2 by 1, equation 2 is A R5 upon equation 1 is A R square is equals to minus 32 upon 108. So A cancel by A, this is R square, it should be R cube is equals to minus 32 upon 108 is 8 upon 27, minus 8 upon 27. So if we take a cube root of both sides, so it is R is equals to minus 8 upon 27 cube root. Minus 8 cube root is minus 2 and 27 cube root is 3. Hence the value of R is minus 2 upon 3. Now how to find the value of A? Very easy. Just put this value of R in any one of the equation. I am putting in equation number 1, that is A R square minus 2 upon 3 square is equals to 108. A minus 2 square is 4, 4 upon 9 is 108. And A is equals to 108 into 9 upon 4 is equals to 243. Hence our final answer is A is 243 and R is minus 2 upon 3. Hope you understand completely question number 3 of exercise 11.4. Move to question number 4. The first term of a geometric progression is 75. A is 75 and the third term is 27. T3 is 27. Find the two possible values for the fourth term. So very easy question. Students, first we have to write the formula Tn is equals to AR to the power n minus 1. Tn, T3 is A is 75 dot R is unknown to the power n minus 1, that is 3 minus 1. The value of T3 is given, that is 27 is equals to 75 dot R3 minus 1 is 2. So 27 upon 75 is equals to R square, or R is equals to 27 upon 75 square root plus minus. This is very important. Okay, now we need to find, so R has two values. Kindly wait, first I have to find the value of R in decimal form. It is plus minus 0.6. So one value is 0.6 and the second value is minus 0.6. So T4, the requirement is find the fourth term. T4 is equals to A 75 dot R. I am taking 0.6 to the power 4 minus 1. So find with the help of calculator. 75 dot 0.6 to the dot means multiply, 4 minus 1 3, so 75 16.2. Obviously when R is minus 0.6 it is minus 16.2, hence fourth term is equals to plus minus 16.2. This is our final answer, plus minus 16.2. These are very easy questions. Move to question number 5. The second term of a geometric progression is 12, that is T2 is equals to 12 and the fourth term is 27. Given that all the terms are positive, find the common ratio and the first term. Very easy question. Tn is equals to A R to the power n minus 1. First find T2 A R 2 minus 1. T2 is 12. So AR 2 minus 1 is 1. This is equation number 1. Now find T4. Obviously T4 is AR 4 minus 1. T4 is 27 is equals to AR cube. This is equation number 2. Equation number 2. Divide equation 1 by equation 2, that is AR cube upon AR, 27 upon 12, A cancel by A, this is square, so 3 9s are 3 4s are, so R square is equals to 9 upon 4 and R is equals to plus minus 9 upon 4 root, but according to question, given that all terms are positive, so we have to take only positive value, that is plus root 9 upon 4, root 9 is 3 and root 4 is 2. Put this value of R in equation number 1, so it is 12 is equals to A dot R 3 upon 2 3 4s are 12 and 2 4s are 8, hence A is 8. So the answer is R 3 upon 2 and A is 8. This is our final answer. So in today's class, we did first 5 questions of exercise 11.4. In next lecture, we will do some more questions. Some are easy, some are tricky, some are new. So how many questions from 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Try to finish in 2 lectures for this exercise. The next is infinite geometric series. So don't worry, I will do each and every question, each and every part, and each and every exercise. So if you like my videos, kindly do subscribe my channel, and whenever you subscribe, don't forget to press the bell icon button so that when I upload my videos, you will get the notification. Kindly share my videos as many as you can. Good luck for next lecture.